Hi, glad you found me. Let's talk. The 9 to 5 exit strategy isn't just a dream, it became my turning point. Because every morning I used to wake up dreading the day ahead, not because I hated my job, but because I knew I was meant for more. I had dreams, a life with freedom, time, flexibility. But instead, I was racing the clock, trading hours for a paycheck. I was surviving, not thriving. I was grateful, sure, but I was also tired, burned out, trapped in a cycle that left little space for creativity or peace of mind. And every time I thought about starting something new, the doubts crept in. Do I have time? What if I fail? Then one night, after yet another long day, I sat down and asked myself a simple question. What if I stopped waiting for the perfect time and just took one step? That's when I came across the 9 to 5 exit strategy for professionals, a free guide that laid out a clear, simple path to start building income online without having to quit my job. There was no hype, no pressure to leap off a cliff, just a smart, step-by-step strategy designed for people like me, busy professionals with big goals and limited time. So I followed it. I set up my digital hub. I learned how to create leverage. And little by little, I started building something real. Now, I still work, but on my terms. I wake up with purpose, not pressure. And it all started with one small step. So if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just ready for something more, take that step. Download the free 9 to 5 exit strategy for professionals today. It's your roadmap to start earning from home, building real momentum, and finally creating the freedom you've been dreaming about. You don't have to quit tomorrow, but you can start planning your exit today because your 9 to 5 doesn't have to last forever. Your freedom starts right here.